DrZ News 2 at 4. Baton Rouge dermatologist Dr. Z is here today, and we're talking about a treatment that can give your cheeks a lift. So explain to us, what is this?
This is wonderful. So it is cheek revolumization with an injectable filler, and the filler that I'm talking about today is Perlane because it just got the FDA indication last week. And so I thought it was timely because I do this to my own cheeks every couple of years, and I just revolumized my cheeks 5 days ago. And it's subtle, but when you revolumize here, I had a little bruise here, it keeps us young. It's as we age, our heart-shaped face, but generally it's a heart shape, so the larger volume is here, and it tapers down. As we age, that heart becomes inverted, and we get more volume down here and saggy jowls. So
don't want that.
That's right. So this filler we can use to inject in the cheeks, and filler we use a lot of other places, lips, even earlobes. I'd have it in my earlobes, our hands, under the eyes, but cheeks are a really good way to make you look younger in a natural way, and natural is the key. So you really need someone who's experienced, who's an artist, really, I think, to know how much and where to put it. Those are the two key things. I like the analogy of a couch. You have a couch, and here's some before and afters. On the left is before, and then on the right, it's subtle, but the cheeks are fuller, and that's what you want. You want subtlety. You don't want to say, wow, look what you had done. Again, left is before, and right, that mid-cheek area is just fuller.
It is a very subtle difference.
Yes. And that's what you want, is the subtlety.
So these women are all different ages. All different ages. What is the ideal age, would you say?
It's when you start losing your volume. And usually it's in your early 30s. But last week, I have people routinely in their 70s and 80s that refill. And basically it's a 30-minute appointment. The pain is maybe 3 out of 10 to 15% risk of bruising. There's no downtime except for covering a bruise if you have it. The cost, it depends on how many birthdays you've had. So the more birthdays, the more volume you need. But generally, it's 1 to 2 syringes, which is about $700 to $1,400, and it lasts a year to a year and a half.
Okay, and you just did it. So
I just did it.
And you had no downtime? You just had a little bruise, that was
saw
it?
patients the next day.
Wow, great.
I love it. It's something really easy that works.
Okay. Well, thanks, Dr. Z.
You're welcome.
And before we go, we also have a basket to give away. What do we have in this basket?
Well, of course, there's sunscreen, because that's the #1 thing you can do to prevent aging. 90% of aging is from the sun. So sunscreen, great body products. I use this every day. Helps exfoliate your skin. And then a wonderful hand lotion that I also use every day. And a beautiful base to use afterwards.
Well, great. Call the number on your screen. This is for caller number 5. Good luck. You're watching WDRZ News 2 at 4. We'll be right back.
Important message for